You've got a goal, a dream, a vision for your life. Now imagine that dream is like building a house. If that house doesn't have two solid pillars, discipline and consistency, remember, that house ain't gonna last forever. The moment pleasure or distractions hit, boom, that house collapses. Look, I'm not here to sugarcoat it. What I'm about to tell you is the realest way to actually build discipline in your life. And honestly, if this doesn't work for you, nothing else on the internet will. So pay attention. This could literally change your life. Your parents are getting older. You are their backbone now. Time's ticking, bro. Stop wasting it. Discipline is simple. It's doing what you said you'd do and when you don't feel like it. When your mood says nah, but your mind says go, and you still show up, that's real discipline. So how do you bring discipline into your life? Here's how. Grab a pen and paper. Track your entire day, hour by hour. What time you wake up, when you scroll, when you eat, when you're grinding, when you're wasting time. Mark the time wasters in red, your priorities in green. Now you got two lists, things to cut off and things to focus on. Take that green list and build a simple routine around it. Don't go crazy. If you're not doing push-ups now, don't start with 50 a day. Start small, but stay consistent. Let's clear this up. Consistency doesn't mean perfection. You miss a day, so what? Get back the next. That's how real growth happens, not by never falling, but by bouncing back every time. Ever heard of the butterfly effect? One tiny habit today can change your entire future. One small win repeated over time. That's how you flip your life. And stop scrolling through Instagram thinking everyone's ahead of you. You're not in a race against them. Don't be jealous of them. Use those guys as motivation, not validation. Want to compare? Okay. Compare yourself to the person you were yesterday. That's your only competition. If you're even 1% better today, you're winning. So yeah, watch the winners, set high standards. But don't compare. Just ask yourself, am I better than I was yesterday? If yes, you're already winning.